All right, so this is the shot of it, the outside here. I've been telling you guys about. This is the, well, minus the Christmas bow there. And that's the Angry Bird grill that I was describing in previous videos. Just kind of the walk around. That's it right there. You just take that little cap off right there. You got the factory bolt. I forget what the size is. Take that out, pop that in there, boom, good to go. I think the installation was maybe 2 minutes, but really easy to do. And let's see, I think that's pretty much all I've got. And of course, that radio there, I bought it with the vehicle, but it's got the what do you call it, the Bluetooth and all, so it's already hooked up. And oh, I did the LEDs, did the tag LEDs, so all that's cool at night. I like that. Also did the halos. You can see I did those. I haven't done the park lights yet, and then I'm also going to do the and I think these are so badass. The little, I call them D-rings, I don't know, whatever, but I bought them. I couldn't find any. Everybody wanted like $30 for the freaking red ones, so all I did was I found some black ones for, I think it was $16, and I took them and painted them. Found me a, I think it was like $2.99 can of red paint at like Ace Hardware, Lowe's, something like that, and I freaking painted them. Now I did do several coats, you know. I think this one here will show you that. You can see the show on that right there. That, I mean, dude, $30 versus like what, 18 altogether. The Angry Bird grill, got a killer deal on that too. That was like freaking I don't know, 100 and, no, I think it was even actually $200 something, and hung out, waited on that, dude. Paid like $129 for that, or actually maybe 100 for that, maybe, I think, I don't know. But anyway, yeah, so that's my beast right there. That's the one I'll be talking about and showing more vids. But thanks for checking her out. All right, so yeah, so this is the Jeep here, and I want to show you some of the mods. Keep in mind she's a little dirty, but this is the handles here that I put in. Check them out, pretty cool. Ain't they? Yeah. And these are the ones for the rear. Pretty sweet. Now, while I'm back here, go ahead and show you this. This is the rear seat recline that I was explaining there. So, what I did basically was you just lift it up. There's little blocks right there. Go up underneath, and it gives you that extra recline. And I'm gonna tell you, you can see how it kind of sits back a little bit. I don't have a video prior, but it did. I mean, it was, you were sitting up, you were eating that front seat. before I did it. So that's how much room you've got now. But I think that's a lot better. If you ask me. But yeah, so those handles there, and I did the little pegs under the seats, and a couple other. Oh, I'll probably show you better on the other side there. So the other. All right, so I was telling you the other holder is this right here. I like that. That you put like GPS, other phone, whatever, in that one, and then that's where I put my other phone. And as a matter of fact, that's where I was recording the other video the other day, straight off of that one. But I've got the two there, and that's pretty wild. So that's how I do that. But yeah, so that bolts right. Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. This is Reese Fam TV, and I'm your host. We're just chilling. I want to talk to you guys today about additives, fuel additives, things like that. Sorry about that. Let's see here. We're gonna tighten this thing up here. It got a little loose on me. I was doing a little four-wheeling this weekend, and hang on a second here. There we go. And I think my camera, my holder got a little loose on me. Yeah, but anyway, so we're gonna do. I'm gonna talk a little bit about additives and stuff. But yeah, I do it frequently. I don't do it a lot. Some people swear by it. I have. I got one here, and let me tell you something. Don't spend big bucks. It's basically all the same junk from China, whatnot. But this is like one I use. I pick up like the dollar store. That's where I'm coming from now. Why I decided to make this video. But yeah, just throw a little injector cleaner is what that is. Throw it in there. I do it probably I don't know. I really don't even keep track, to be honest with you, but I might think of it every 3 months or so. I'd say quarterly, 4 times a year maybe. That'd be good enough. But it just gets in there, knocks off all the grime that gets tied up, clogged, attached to your injectors, gunk from your nasty oil and all the other stuff that we put in the oil to make it last longer and expand so we can make more money on it and all that good stuff. But yeah, so anyway, that's my advice on that. And then I would not listen to any dealership crap, because they try to fill you with a bunch of stuff. As far as all that smack and pack and all that junk they do to you, they'll try to fill you a load of bullness. But yeah, so basically like stuff like that, just like little additives. Fill up your tank, drop one of those in there, and you're good to go, man. But matter of fact, I'll show you how simple it is. Oh, let's get this window up here. be right now, won't we? A little impromptu. Really quite simple. I'm gonna go ahead and swap this here around.